If your social media strategy lives in your head, scattered notes, and half-finished drafts everywhere, this free planner will finally get you organised. Let me show you how to set it up in 2 minutes. When you open the planner, you land here on the Start Here page. Quick start guide on the left, what's inside on the right. But let's jump straight into setup. On the settings page, this is where you make it yours. Pop in your brand name, your niche, who you're targeting. Then scroll down to the content pillars. These are your 5 content themes. I've got defaults here, but change them to fit your business. Educational, behind the scenes, testimonials, whatever mix works for you. On the right, tick which platforms you're active on. This controls what shows up in your drop-downs everywhere else. Only using Instagram and TikTok, just select these 2. This is where you'll spend most of your time, on the content calendar. Full year for 2026 already dated. Pick your platform from the drop-down, choose your format, select which content pillar it falls on. The content column is where you write your actual post copy. Then you've got columns for links, images, videos, everything you need if you're exporting to a scheduler later. Set your status. Draft, needs review, approved, scheduled, published. The dashboard counts these automatically. I've added some data for 10 sample points to show you how it works. Delete them when you're ready to add your own. Now check this out. Your dashboard updates in real time. Post by status, post by platform. Your content pillar mix so you can see if you're too heavy on promotional content. Monthly breakdown is at the side, tracks everything as you go. And your ideas bank. A single place to capture all your content ideas instead of losing them in random notes. Tag them with priority and status, then pull them into your calendar when you're ready to create. A link to download this template is in the description.